guys, so today we're going to make a simple machine guard like you see behind me for two saws, this one and this one here, and we're going to walk you through the whole process. We mostly use them for catching all the shavings that come after cutting aluminum, and we've got a little catch system underneath it, but real simple. So let's jump right into it. So I already cut the tubes. They're sitting behind me. We're using some black powder coated L tube for this build. There's two different frames, so we have a little bit different sizing between the two. And then I also collected the joints. We're using 3-ways and 2-ways, 6 3-ways and 2 2-ways for each of the frames. If you're interested in any of these parts we're using today, any of the L tube or the joints or anything, they all can be found at moxitec.com. I will link the website in the description below. Basically, it's a framing system, so you have these joints and you have the aluminum extrusion, and they go together really snug. There's little serrations in the aluminum to catch the nylon parts, so it's meant to make any sort of quick and easy aluminum frame that you would like to make. So go check it out. That is going to be the top. It'll be like this. So now we're just going to make the bottom, which is going to be missing the front piece. And then we'll put the uprights probably in this piece first, pound all 4 uprights in, and then put the top on that. Also, one of the things I like to do when I'm pounding multiple joints in at the same time is just do a little bit on each one at a time so they all go in kind of at the same time. They go in easier that way, so just a tip. Okay, different day, different shirt. We have the first frame done. Let's work on the second one. So we have the bottom together here, and we have the top right here. We're going to put the uprights on the bottom first, and then put the top on and pound it in. And that's our frame. So now we are going to put the plastic sides in, and then we're going to work on a little platform for the solid top. So for these clear plastic pieces, we already have them cut and we have them pre-drilled. We have some holes pre-drilled for the screws, and there's 3 pieces, 1 for each of the sides, and then for the top we're going to have a solid piece of plastic, and the bottom is open. So I'll take this protective covering off, and we'll get to screwing them in. got the 3 panels of plastic screwed down on both frames. Now we have this frame flipped over, so that's the top on the bottom, and we want to create a lip for this heavier duty piece of plastic to go on. And we're going to do that by using this flat stock, this aluminum flat stock, and we're just going to hang it over the edge on both sides of, or all 4 sides of the frame on the top, so that we can inset that plastic right into the top. So we have to cut this to length a second, and then we'll pre-drill some holes and screw it into the top of the frame. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any suggestions for future projects or future videos, just leave them in the comments section below. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.